how to connect Wix to Printify. So we want to focus on the left hand side. Click on the plus icon that says add elements, and here we will search for Printify. So once we search for Printify, we will see the application itself here. So we gotta click on open, and we have to add this to our website. So click on add to site. It will load up the Printify application for us. So just give it some time. I'm gonna come back when it loads. Okay, so the next step is connecting Printify with Wix. So we have to write our store name. So I will do net store, and we gotta click on connect here. So it will tell us that Wix or Printify will manage orders, manage products, read basic site info, so on and so forth. You can read through this, see if you agree with it, and click on agree and add. And now you connected the Wix store. Check out this article on how to start selling. So now we've successfully connected Printify with Wix. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.